Some amazing photos of the blizzard cleanup from the North Dakota Highway Patrol and Department of Transportation. This is by Valley City. If you were wondering, while it took a while to get those interstates and other highways open, here's why. It's Interstate 94 between Valley City and Jamestown just buried in spots. So a big cleanup was underway the last couple of days there, and the roads now open again. But if you're going to be driving this Easter weekend, be sure to drive carefully. We'll leave you with some drone video of Highway 36 yesterday north of Bismarck. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNewZ.TV.